ROSI intends to design a set of technologies able to create a real circular economy for the PV-based PV panel. In Europe, the concern is mostly to deal with the end-of-life panel. I am one of the co-founders of this startup, where I bring my industrial experience. Amélie involved in the master AMIS of Phelma, work with ROSI to experiment the possibility to recycle the kerf that we obtain when we cut the ingot in wafers. The goal was to separate the kerf from the liquid using polymeric or ceramic membranes. She had a very challenging task to perform as it started just during the lockdown. She was very efficient doing all the tests, including obtaining some ceramic membranes coming from China. She delivered a very nice and very complete report that we can use to design the industrial device to do the task. What we found is that Amélie was really skilled. She was autonomous, she was rigorous, she was hardworking, and she was curious. We believe that this is really the basis to be successful in our task of industrialization. In addition of the basic skills, it is important for the student to be open, to be curious about any type of technology. They need to learn, to be able to understand what are the goals and explore all the possible solutions to reach it. Then we appreciate to read very clear, very well documented, significantly based on science reports. INP Phelma seems to prepare very well the student with those goals. I am one of the co-founders of ROSI, but another one is Guy Chichignou, who was one of your students in the past. He's now a doctor working with CNRS and ROSI, and he's our R&D director based on CMAP. Thanks to the PACT law, he is now allowed to work 50% for ROSI and to bring his involvement with this development. My second daughter was also one of your students, and she is now working in research and development with ST Microelectronics.